everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about coolgame.com review? If yes, then watch this video because we are going to share unbiased review on this website because the website is getting attention from the customers, especially from United States. So let's check out the deal. Cool Game is an online game store that trades in an extensive range of latest games such as all recent edition of Nintendo, Sony PlayStation, Microsoft, Xbox, etc. Moreover, this e-store is loaded with video games. Beside that, if you are looking forward to being a gamer in the future, you want to master each hottest series, you must check out the game collection, as the website has a Black Friday sale. As a customer, you can get up to 70% off on its entire collection. Let's check out the specification of this website. This is HTTP secure website. It was registered on 13th October 2021. They have shared their contact detail, email address and their physical address, whereas email address is not matching the domain name and it can be a red alert. As far as their shipping time is concerned, they need 15 to 20 business days. You can enjoy free shipping. They are accepting different payment methods like MasterCard, Visa card, American Express and PayPal. As far as return policy is concerned, you can enjoy return policy for 30 days, like you can return the product within 30 days of your purchase. The positive features of the website are: the store is SSL encrypted, it provides free shipping worldwide, they are offering 70% off as Black Friday sale. The store is loaded with the latest games and accessories. The site contains complete detail about its product. It holds positive customer reviews on it. The negative feature of the website are: the mentioned social media icons are not working. It does not have a valid mail server. There are no reviews found from external sources. It provides unrealistic offers. So the question is Cool Game legit or a scam? As we are checking out all the details, because we know that the online scam is getting more and more nowadays. So let's check out the detail. As we discussed, the social media accounts are not active, so it is actually misleading us and it is not a good sign. The content seems not original, it seems copied. No reviews found on internet, whereas we found positive reviews just on the email and their website. As we discussed, it is newly created website. It was registered on 13th October 2021 for just 1 year. Unrealistic discount is available up to 70% off. It has 2% poor trust score, whereas trust rank is about 0.9%. As we all know that customer reviews are a great help for us to check out the legitimacy of any online website, and when we go through this website, we found only positive reviews on the website. Like, customer mentioned that their latest Nintendo has a sleek design and functions smoothly, but when we check out on internet, we found no reviews regarding this website, not on any social media or any popular review site. So in conclusion, we can say that though it is too early to conclude about its legitimacy, but latest video game selling website turned out suspicious, as we found no reviews or reliable information on the website. So we suggest our viewer to do their research if they still want to purchase from this website. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience. Write in the comment box. We love to hear from you.